Well, first up today is this black EP3 Civic, so standard power run, here we go. Okay, so it's on its initial power and it's made 194 brake horsepower, which, you know, it's not bad. But we think we can improve on that. So what we're actually going to do here now for the customer is we're going to test that theory by fitting the Dynodaze induction kit and seeing if we can actually get any more power out of it straight away before we start tuning. That's going to give us an overlay, and then if we make more power, the customer is happy to proceed with that. So here we go. Richard's getting stuck in. Good morning, Mark.
Morning.
Don't worry, this video won't affect your benefits, mate.
That's our joke of the week.
It is, it's a good joke. It's a good joke.
This is our best joke, ain't it?
Yeah, Richard's already had a rant on the live this morning. Yeah, rant.
Why do you have a rant?
Just about.
Oh, I missed that.
Just about benefits, mate.
Yeah, because Richard's their
Just
rant.
about people that say, oh, well, I don't work, because if I work, I'm only working £3.50 an hour because I lose my benefits. No.
Started off again.
I know, yeah, let's...
I'm not going to go into it again.
I'm not editing this video, so it's going in this one as well. Okay, it's on. So next up is another power run with the only modification being the Dynodaze induction kit. So let's see how we get on. Check them out. Diamond cut. Original alloys, but diamond cut to what he does for a living. They are pretty special. They look absolutely gorgeous. Let me know in the comments below what alloys you're rocking. If you want this job doing, I'm sure I could put you in touch with the lad. EP3. That's what I'm talking about, Rich. Talking about EP3s making awesome games, and this is one of them.
Yeah, as always, as these always do, yeah. Came in.
194 on a K&N Typhoon kit.
Yeah, it had a Chaps B4 to... Has it got a Chaps B4?
Yeah. Well, go get the phone. Because all the mods are on there, Rich. Because that's what we do here.
Right, it has got, it says, we'll read off his sheet now, look. It says, it's got an M2 inlet manifold, which we know. It's got inlet, 4-to-1 Toyo Sports manifold, Toyo Sports cap, non-res 2.5 inch mid-pipe and 2.5 inch M2 back box, the dolphin tip. I disagree there, I think that's 2.25 inch. Looking at it, but okay, we'll agree to disagree. What we got, and then
So it had
it had the K&N Typhoon induction kit, which we've changed now for the Dynodaze.
Yeah, because it made 194 in stock form, this car, and then we put the Dynodaze Induction kit on it, and we made about 6 wheel horsepower.
Yeah,
But obviously,
but-
still needed tuning at that point.
Yeah, still needed tuning. We were massively down. You know, obviously we know this. I've got a load of mods on it, and it's obviously not mapped for that, so that's fine. So we tuned for the mods.
That's my finger as I end that phone call.
Yeah. So we tuned for the mods, and responded really, really well. You know, straight off the bat, like, you know, literally as we put the bass file on and then did a power roll, we made some massive increases. We're finishing today on 230 brake, which I believe is perhaps slightly down for the mods that this car's got on it, but I don't believe it's massive. It's got a sports cat in it, so I do believe that the sports cat would have probably cost us
155,000.
155,000 miles. I think the sports cat would have cost us about 5 brake, in my opinion. And I think the exhaust, if we'd got the Teguis 70mm on it with decat, this car would have made 240 today. So I think with the exhaust that's on, it's probably cost us 5, and I think the sports cat cost us 5.
Yeah, we certainly don't know anything about Toyo sports cats. Do we?
No, I don't know anything about Toy Sports cats or whatever. So I think we probably had a bit of a combination of both there. I would say both those two things added up to about 10 brake. Customer, I'll pass that information on to the customer. He says he'll perhaps go for the Teguis 70mm next year and bring it back, and we'll go again and we'll make another 10 brake. But nonetheless, great, and it's made some power. So should we have a look at the RAF?
Yeah. Have you seen his wheels?
I have seen his wheels.
They're really nice. They're the stock wheels, but that's what he does for a living. He diamond cut stuff for a living. They look really, really nice.
They do, yeah.
Right, let's have a look at the RAF. Well, there you go. Red line is as she came in, blue line is as she leaves. There's a 42 brake horsepower or 45 brake horsepower gain at 6,000 RPM, which is fantastic. And we leave on 230 brake, which is 187 at the wheels today. So brilliant, well done team Dynodaze. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Try and find us on Facebook and Instagram if you can. Say hello. And
What's your Instagram?
my Instagram is Dynodaze _performance_parts. You can find me constantly posting stuff. So yeah, if you like the YouTube channel and you want to, hang on a minute, let me finish. So if you like the Dynodaze YouTube channel and you want to see what's going on behind the scenes, so you'll get an idea of what cars are going to come up in the latest YouTube video, go to Instagram and you'll see exactly what we're doing. And then we upload the videos a couple of days later, so you can always see what's going on. And then Richard's Instagram is richard.ellis79. Richard.ellis79 on Instagram. Go and follow him. He's as funny on Instagram as he is on YouTube. So, yeah, brilliant. Mark, what are you doing? You look like you're stealing stuff there, Mark. What are you doing?
He said he found this box of free
I
stuff.
found this free box
Yeah, this box of free
with a
stuff.
hybrid racing kit.
Oh, very good.
I'm replacing the InGen kit
Oh.
from the FN2.
Oh, yeah, okay. Make some power.
Well, fingers crossed, make some
You
power.
need a battery relocation tray.
Yes.
Wait,
Well, that's where you guys come in.
You're in your picture, man.
Oh, sorry, mate.
You'll soon be in his hole if you want a battery relocation tray.
Well, yeah. Fair enough. No, hybrid racing induction kit to replace the InGen. And
Mark's got an FN2.
some
He's a very track happy boy.
drag cartel.
Oh. Yeah, of course you have. Yeah. Right, we'll see you on the next one, guys. Won't we, Rich? See you later.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.